Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Long Beach, California, Rancho Los Alamitos in Long Beach. It's a historical ranch from the 1800s. It goes back to the 1700s, but the current iteration goes back to the 1880s. Just want to walk around, check it out, of course. If it's your first time here, thanks for being here. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, all that fun stuff. And let's go check out Rancho Los Alamitos in Long Beach, California. So the ranch goes back to the 1700s when the governor of California gave it to a gentleman, and then it was 300,000 acres. Then it was split up into smaller parcels. This was 28,000 acres. The Bixby family from Maine bought it. They actually paid off the loans on the ranch for about 130,000 money that time, and took over the ranch. It was a cattle ranch. And then the family had it from 1881 until the 1960s, when they gave it to the city of Long Beach. These are the old barns, the old stallion barns. That's now the main visitor center. Having crafting today for kids. They had horses. There's a gift shop. So it has now gone down from the original 300,000 acres, which went all the way to the ocean. Santa Ana River, San Gabriel River. And now it sits at just over 7.5 acres. This is the original ranch house. Their offices. We're not allowed to film in the ranch house, so I'll go check it out and tell you what you missed. So this is the original ranch home where they lived, their offices. They do offer tours. I believe there's a fee for the tours. Over here is the secret garden, as it was called. Don't tell anybody. Go around to the front of the house. There's the front of the ranch house with their enclosed porch. And these giant trees. 2 of them out front. They have some pottery and glassware from their collection. According to a video I watched, all of the trees you see were purchased and planted by Mr. Bixby. Any fish in there? Something in there. Something big. There are several different themed gardens here. This is, of course, the cactus garden. Over there were their tennis courts. And over there is now someone's house. It is free to enter. Some of the tours do require a donation. Little bench back there to sit on. Tennis court. I guess normal size tennis court. Very beautiful grounds, very peaceful. So I'm guessing that if you went to grade school anywhere in the surrounding Long Beach area, you came here on a field trip. And right now over the summer, every other Thursday, they have crafting for kids. You can check their website for more information on that. Very nice little garden area down there. Oh, they talked about this walkway in the video. Originally they were going to do grass for this walkway, but the landscape architect said he recommended pavers because of how hot it got in the summer, and they didn't want to have to continually water this. They said a ram in the video that would, sure not the same ram, but a ram would go down by the river and would walk on a treadmill, and it would pump water up to the big water storage up here. I think it was 500 gallons, I think. And then that's how they got their water. But that water was used for irrigation, for everything in the house. They also made cheese and milk. Well, they make milk. Cows made milk. And they also had a cattle ranch. They would sell ranches to sell. I'm okay. Sell cows to market for beef. Maybe a sundial at one point. Yep, I'm missing the sundial. More seating down there. I think this is the native garden, so all these plants are native to Southern California. Or California in general, but Southern California mostly. Oak tree. Alright, thanks for watching. This has been Rancho Los Alamitos in Long Beach, California. A nice place to visit. Bring your kids. Some great California history here. If it's your first time, please like, please subscribe, please comment, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Oh, hold on. What's a little piece of California history you like to visit? Let me know. I'll check it out. Take care, guys. Bye.